Hey everyone, today let's talk about Nanjing, the self-proclaimed duck capital where ducks aren't just food, they're practically in the DNA of locals. Ask any Nanjing native and they'll joke,
3天不吃药，走路又打滑。
Nanjing's duck obsession dates back to the Six Dynasties, when General Chen Baxian used duck to reward his troops. Fast forward to the Ming dynasty, Emperor Zhu Dai packed Nanjing roast duck as imperial treasure when he moved the capital to Beijing. Guess what? That became Beijing roast duck, so Nanjing's version is the real grandmaster. Meanwhile, Nanjing kept innovating, turning salted duck into a tribute fit for Empress Dowager Cixi. Today, locals devour 100 million ducks a year. Even Beijing roast duck tips its hat to the OG duck slayers. Nanjing's duck dishes could fill a feast. Glutinous rice duck gets crispy on the outside and sticky on the inside, with duck fat seeping into the rice, blending savory and rice aromas. Crispy duck slices are fried thin and crunchy, sprinkled with salt and pepper. Old duck soup simmers in a clay pot until creamy, and a handful of goji berries fills the alley with fragrance. For mid-autumn gifts, locals carry boxes of osmanthus duck wrapped in oil paper, amber glossy, savory to the bone. At dawn, steamed duck soup dumplings hit the streets, juicy like dewdrops. Bite the thin skin, slurp the broth, and duck oil flavor hits you right in the brain. As for duck blood and vermicelli soup, a spoonful of tender duck innards is never complete without a bite of duck fat pastry. Every old-timer's got their duck-eating Bible. Jin Hung Sing's roast duck is so popular that locals brace for 30-minute line for it. Chen's does a skinny version of Zhang Yun board duck, specializes in traditional board duck and salty savory sauce. Visitors decoding Nanjing's food secrets. Open the TuGuGu app, ask for food tips in trip planning, and hidden foodie secrets pop up. In Nanjing, ducks aren't just food. They're a living museum, a steaming bowl of history, and proof that even Michelin stars bow to tradition. Next time you visit, grab half a duck, munch on it while wandering the Ming City Wall, and taste 2,000 years of Nanjing in every bite.